This is Danielle with NorState's 2 cents. Life doesn't always give you a warning. A repair, a sudden loss of work, an unexpected expense. When emergencies happen, the question isn't if, it's how prepared are you? That's where an emergency fund comes in. Even small savings set aside can help cover surprise costs, so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans when the unexpected hits. Here are a few tips on how to get started. Begin saving what you can. Even a few dollars at a time can make a difference. Build toward 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, and keep your emergency fund separate from your other accounts so it's easy to access. Your credit union can help you create a plan, automate savings, and help build your confidence for whatever comes next. Peace of mind isn't always having everything. It's about being ready for the unexpected. This has been NorState's 2 cents. NorState Federal Credit Union. We are your lifelong financial partner.